Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year guys 2009 and year 2014. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the sunroof, also known as moonroof, is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You may have up to 2 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. All that will be covered today, and we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and where to buy cheap fuses from, so make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are all our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically guys, we'll be demonstrating on a 2012 Ford F-150, that generation, but even if you have a different year, the video may be helpful. When you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator, you're going to find that fuse box. When you open it, you will see that layout right here. We have the relays here, those are fuses. Those are some special fuses and relays that at the parts store can be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. But before we show you guys which fuse you need to check, let me explain why it's super important to test fuses, because I've seen people wasting their money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuse we need to check? If you come in this row of squared fuses right here, we are going to talk about fuse number 48. 48 guys will be that second 20 amp fuse right here. That fuse is the one that you need to check. 1, 2, that 48 fuse right here in the fuse box under the hood. Now we have another fuse box that's actually located on the passenger side footwell by the kick panel there, right under the glove box. You can see those will be your fuses here guys, and the fuse specifically that we will need to check now, that's responsible for the sunroof as well guys. And if you come in that 1, 2, 3, that third row from left to right, and you start down 1, 2, 3, that third fuse known as fuse number 32, it's a 15 amp fuse, that's the one for the sunroof as well. You need to check that fuse too guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.